What are the power requirements for Ring doorbell?
Hello, and welcome to this informative video on the power requirements of your Ring doorbell. Today, we will dive deep into what it takes to keep your Ring doorbell functioning optimally. Let's get started by understanding the basic power needs of this innovative device.
What is a Ring doorbell?
A Ring doorbell is a smart doorbell device that provides homeowners with a way to monitor their doorsteps through live video streaming. It features motion detection, two-way audio communication, and can connect to your home's Wi-Fi network. The Ring doorbell can either be battery-powered or connected to the existing doorbell wiring for power.
What are the power requirements of a Ring doorbell?
Ring doorbells have different power requirements depending on the specific model, but generally, they need a power source that ranges between 8 to 24 volts AC. If your home's existing doorbell system provides this range of power, you can hardwire the Ring doorbell into it. For those who use the battery-powered option, you would need to charge the battery periodically. The frequency of charging depends on usage, but typically it ranges from once every 6 months to a year. Note: Ring doorbells are not compatible with intercom systems or DC transformers.
How to check your power setup?
Before installing your Ring doorbell, it's crucial to ensure that your home's doorbell system meets the power requirements. You can do this by checking the transformer for your doorbell system, which should specify the output voltage. If it doesn't fall within the 8 to 24 volts AC range, you may need to replace or upgrade your transformer. We hope this video has helped you understand the power requirements of a Ring doorbell. Ensuring that your device has the right power supply will help you make the most of its features while maintaining its longevity. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, keep your home safe and sound with Ring.